Hi guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to add or remove Instagram Reels to your profile grid. You can access the Instagram Reels through the Stories feature by swiping to the Reels tab. You can use Instagram filters, overlay skips, location tags, audio, and music. You can shoot out up to 15 seconds of content. So let's go ahead and try out this feature. So let's go here and the plus sign in the top right, and we're going to create a reel. And here's where you can do the audio, the speed, the effects, the timer, and etc. So let's go ahead and create a quick video. What I will do is I will get from my gallery. So I will choose some photo here. Then I'll just put next, and next, and then I will just write a caption, texting, then share. So let's just wait for the few seconds or minutes to make it finish. And there you can see it that it has been added. You can see the video right here. Now, not sure if you also notice this. We have a reel icon in the middle that the video has been placed. You can see the video right here. And so let's first remove it if we don't want the video on our profile grid. So let's choose the photo and you will press the three dots on the upper right hand and you will remove it from your profile grid. So as you can see, it's already removed from your profile grid. And if we go to the Reels grid, it's still here. So if you don't want to see this also here on the Reels grid, you can press the three dots on the lower right hand and you can delete this. So as you can see, it's already not in the Reels grid. So the icon is gone and it's been permanently deleted from Instagram. And that is how you add and delete Instagram Reels to your profile grid. I hope this video helps you. And if you have questions and comments, please put it in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe and like.